This presentation introduces LinguaGraph, a portable electropalatography system, or EPG for short, that monitors tongue contact with the hard palate during speech. LinguaGraph provides direct articulatory information that can be used to study or improve articulation patterns. LinguaGraph determines tongue-palate contact by using a special artificial palate that contains 62 electrodes embedded on its lingual surface. A small electrical signal is sent to the user, which is conducted through the tongue to any touched electrodes. These tongue-palate contact patterns are then displayed on a computer screen. Whilst electropalatography is language independent, the tongue-palate contact patterns shown here represent typical lingual consonants produced by normal English speakers. LinguaGraph is compatible with the Reading EPG palette design. The palette is custom-made for each user and simply clips to the upper teeth. The wires from the EPG palette exit the mouth at both sides and connect to the LinguaGraph unit, which is worn around the neck. To manufacture an EPG palette, a plaster model of the subject's upper palate and teeth is required. A qualified dentist should take an impression using high-quality alginate to obtain an accurate record of the upper palate and teeth. The impression should include the gum area immediately behind the posterior molars. This is to accommodate the lead-out wires from the EPG palette. The impression should be taken as far back as is comfortable, at least as far back as the posterior tuberosity. Plaster models should be clearly labelled with the subject's name and sent to us at the address shown. To confirm suitability, it is recommended that a photograph of the plaster model is emailed to support@icSpeech.com before posting. EPG palettes typically take 2 to 3 weeks to manufacture. A more cost-effective and often quicker method of creating EPG palettes is to use a kit. EPG palette kits enable orthodontic technologists to manufacture EPG palettes locally. Each kit contains 62 silver electrodes with leads, EPG connector board, EPG connector board cover, clear heat shrink tubing, and an instruction manual. LinguaGraph is compatible with a number of software packages ranging in functionality, scalability, and price. All of the software is compatible with Windows 10 and 11. LinguaView is an easy-to-use application that provides basic EPG features that let you preview tongue-palate contact in real time, record tongue-palate contact with synchronized audio, playback tongue-palate contact with synchronized audio, and view anatomical or classic EPG displays. LinguaView also contains a library of typical tongue-palate contact patterns and a built-in template editor. These templates can be shown alongside the real-time EPG display and help to demonstrate correct tongue positioning. LinguaView 3D uses state-of-the-art computer animation and 3D modeling techniques to illustrate tongue-palate contact during speech. The 3D model consists of the tongue, hard palate, teeth, and lower jaw. The transparency of these articulators can be adjusted to reveal hidden structures, and the model can be rotated 360 degrees. LinguaView 3D is a useful visual feedback tool that can simplify the interpretation of conventional electropalatography displays. The 3D tongue-palate contact shapes shown here represent typical lingual consonants produced by normal English speakers. icSpeech Professional Edition is multiparameter speech visualization and analysis software. Its flexible plug-and-play architecture enables the synchronized data capture from a wide range of speech instrumentation, including electropalatography. It features a multiple document interface that supports various methods of displaying EPG-related data. These include waveforms, dynamic bar charts, video, spectrograms, and spectrums. All displays can be synchronously viewed in real time for visual feedback, recorded for offline analysis, or printed for hard copy. icSpeech can display tongue-palate contact patterns in numerous ways, including anatomical displays, classic EPG displays. This display has been color-coded to highlight the alveolar, palatal, and velar regions of the palate. Averaged contact displays, heatmap displays, and multiple contact displays. By dividing the EPG palate into various regions, several useful parameters relating to tongue-palate contact can be derived. These lingual parameters can be displayed as numerical values, waveforms, bar charts, or used to control games. This real-time display shows a simple bar that moves upwards with increased tongue-palate contact. The display can be configured to show single or multiple bars simultaneously. In this example, the blue bar represents the amount of contact in the alveolar region of the palate. The green bar represents the amount of palatal contact, and the red bar the amount of velar contact. The real-time bar is particularly useful when working with sustained sounds. The real-time waveform display allows the speaker to see the dynamics of their speech during the utterance of complete words or phrases. This example shows the amount of alveolar, palatal, and velar tongue-palate contact for the word seat. icSpeech games provide a fun and interactive environment for children to learn about speech. Each of the 6 games feature adjustable targets, rewards, and can be controlled by tongue-palate contact. Data from the gaming sessions can also be recorded for offline analysis. This example shows the balloon game configured for EPG template matching. The object of the game is to try and match the tongue-palate contact pattern shown in the blue EPG template. The closer the subject's tongue matches the template, shown here in red, the higher the balloon rises. The balloon bursts when it reaches the target, which in this case is set to a 100% match. icSpeech can synchronously record multiparameter data. The voice prompt feature makes recording fun and interactive. Voice prompts, including pictures, words, or phrases, can be configured to appear during recording and also annotate the recorded data. icSpeech comes complete with a large selection of voice prompts, or you can create your own using the built-in editor. You can also make notes and attach them to the recording. Using adjustable cursors, many of the displays allow you to perform precise measurements on the recorded data. In this example, the waveform display shows speech, alveolar, palatal, and velar contact for the word smoke. Part of the word is highlighted with a measuring cursor. The display to the right of the waveform shows the EPG contact patterns represented by this cursor. The data can also be exported to clipboard or a comma-separated value file for external processing. The LinguaGraph Software Development Kit, or SDK for short, is a high-level programming library for creating custom EPG applications. It allows full control of the LinguaGraph unit and real-time access to the EPG data. The SDK is compatible with the C++ programming language and the Microsoft Visual Studio Integrated Development Environment. It contains an installation package of redistributable files, programming documentation, and example source code. To find out more about our speech visualization technology, please visit icSpeech.com. Thank you.